Hey, welcome to my channel. This is where I post all my job videos, but today I'm posting about working on a project with my kids. This is an oak table I decided to build. That way I can work on projects out in the garage. And Cooper loves helping me out with these projects, getting to operate the nail gun. And of course I've got all kinds of room in here. Cooper's got an area to bounce his basketball and that's about it. Eating out of an ice container. But anyways, getting a frame for this built, putting these planks on, and now it's time to get the oak top put on. There's nothing like getting a little glue on your fingers, but hey, he loved it as long as he gets to watch sports with Dad. You got it. There you go. Got the oak planks glued down. Now it's time to get them glued together. I wanted extra width, so that's why I added that extra piece on the end there, but it all blended in just fine. Can't even see where the seam is hardly. Hey, if you like what you're watching, like and subscribe. Follow me along through all these projects. I got a lot more like this that I'm doing. And there's going to be plenty more coming this summer. Of course, Cooper likes to do his cute face before we start each project, but now it's time to start sanding. I didn't have any of the sandpaper with the holes in it for the vacuum, so we just did this method. That way I can at least stop half of the dust from getting everywhere. There's that goofy face again. He's trying to do it while I wasn't looking, but hey, he's cute, so I'll let him have it. We filled all the holes with putty. Now it's time to get everything sanded down. Now it's Cooper's turn to try out the sander. I think he did a pretty awesome job. Well, we didn't cake everything with dust. There's just a little bit of layer on everything, but now it's time to go ahead and get it stained, and I used a dark walnut stain. I love darker stains on oak. Just makes it stand out a lot more in my opinion. So Cooper had the lovely job of helping out with staining it, learning how to apply it properly, and I think it turned out amazing. Hey, I think he got the hang of it. It's going along pretty good. This stain, you just apply it, wipe it off. He took his time. Details is what matters. Hey, Brayden came out and helped us for this part. We're applying the urethane finish. It's an exterior finish meant for surfaces that are going to get roughed up, especially in the exterior. And of course, Cooper comes out eating bacon, so I made sure he doesn't get his fingerprints on the tabletop, or else that's going to make a spot for the urethane. And of course, Brayden's over there eating a popsicle as well, so food is always going in and out inside this home. They took their time between watching the football game and applying the urethane. That we finally got her done though.